Hi, in this video we'll be looking at the customary units of weight and how to convert one unit to another unit. So these are the customary units of weight. We have 1 pound equal to 16 ounces and 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. To convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply, and to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. An acronym to help you remember: best soccer mom. Big units to small units, you multiply. Silly babies dancing. Small unit to big units, you divide. Okay, let's get started with an example to understand this better. How many ounces can you find in 3 pounds? 3 pounds equals how many ounces? So you go to your table, look for the relationship between pounds and ounces. Okay, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. How do we know if we are moving from a big unit to a small unit or from a small unit to a big unit? The unit that has 1 in front of it is the big unit if it is written this way. Okay, so the unit that has 1 in front of it is bigger than the unit it equals to. If your table is written this way, that means pound, the unit pound is way bigger than the unit ounces. And according to our question, we are moving from pounds to ounces. We know the pounds, we need to find the ounces in the pounds. So we are moving from the big unit to the small unit. 3 pounds was what was given to us in the question. From big unit to small unit, we multiply. Best soccer mom. So 3 times, how many ounces can you find in a pound? 16. 3 times 16. This will be equal to 48. So you can just confirm that right here. 16 times 3. 6 times 3, 18. Take 1 here. 1 times 3, 3 plus 1, 4. That's 48. So we have 48 ounces in 3 pounds. As simple as that. Okay, let's try out another question. Okay, how many tons can you find in 4,000 pounds? Okay, so the first thing you do, you go to your table, find the relationship between pounds and tons. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Then find out, are you moving from a big unit to a small unit or the other way around? The unit with 1 in front of it is the big unit, which is ton in this case. So you go to your question. We know the pounds, but we don't know tons. That means you're moving from a small unit to a big unit, from pounds to tons. How many pounds are we given in the question? 4,000. 4,000 pounds. We're moving from a small unit to a big unit. Silly babies dancing. Small to big units, you divide. So you have to divide 4,000 by the number of pounds in 1 ton, which is 2,000. 4,000 divided by 2,000. That will give you 2. Because 2,000 times 2 would give you 4,000. So how many tons can you find in 4,000 pounds? 2 tons. Just look at it logically too. If 1 ton gives you 2,000 pounds, 2 tons will give you 4,000 pounds. So it's as simple as that. So let's have some questions that you can try out by yourself. Okay, so why don't you try this out with your pen and paper or whiteboard and marker? 32 ounces will be equal to how many pounds? Remember to find a relationship first step, then figure out if you're moving from a big unit to a small unit or from a small unit to a big unit, and then multiply or divide as the case may be. Welcome back. Okay, so what's the relationship between ounces and pounds? We have it right here. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Are we moving from a big unit to a small unit or the other way around? Well, a pound is bigger than an ounce. Remember, the unit with 1 in front of it is bigger than the unit it equals to. So a pound is bigger than an ounce. Let's check our question. In our question, we are moving from ounces to pounds. So we are moving from a small unit to a big unit. Silly babies dancing. From a small unit to a big unit, you divide. So let's go ahead and do that. So how many ounces in our question? 32 ounces. The operation right here, you divide by the number of ounces in a pound, which is 16. 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2, because 16 times 2 will give you 32. So you put that right here. 2 pounds equals 32 ounces. As simple as that. Okay, one more question for you to try right here. 3 tons equals how many pounds? So you can pause the video and try this out. Welcome back. I believe you followed the rule. The first rule, look at the relationship between tons and pounds, which is right here. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Second rule, are you moving from a big unit to a small unit or from a small unit to a big unit? How would you know that? If your units are written this way, the unit that has 1 in front of it is the big unit. That means the other unit is the small unit. So a ton is way bigger than a pound. Now look at your question. You're given a ton, which is a big unit, and you're looking for a pound, for the number of pounds in 3 tons. So you're moving from a big unit to a small unit. And in that case, best soccer mom, big unit to small unit, you multiply. So the number of tons in your question 3, your operation, you multiply. Number of tons in a pound, according to your table, 2,000. So 2,000 times 3. All you need to do is 2 times 3, 6, and then you add the zeros at the back of the 2,000. So you have 6,000 right here. So we have 6,000 pounds in 3 tons. As simple as that. All right, I believe you now know how to convert your customary units of weight. Thanks for watching.